Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we're going to do another vehicle walk-around tour. Today's vehicle is the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Launch Edition. This is a big honking truck with a lot of cool features, a lot of power. You get a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine, plenty of cargo space, plenty of room for passengers. It's a pretty cool truck. This comes in a gray exterior. They call it Anvil Clear Coat. And we've got a black leather interior. A lot of really cool red accent stitching, as well as some red accents, such as on the speakers. You can see the bucket seats here, again with that nice red stitching accent. Our steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Got a push button ignition, mileage just over 21,000. And we've got this huge touchscreen display currently showing our climate controls. We've got our radio here, backup camera. You do have climate controls, physical buttons here. You do also have a climate menu. You've got navigation. And a bunch of other apps that you can access. Heated and ventilated seats. You got a heated steering wheel, backup camera, surround camera. Definitely a big fan of that overhead view, especially when you're parking. Tons of inputs and whatnot. We've got our shifter right here. Tons of center console storage. Tons of other features that we won't go over here today. Different traction modes, the launch controls. There's a lot to cover here, so we won't be going over all that today. But if you're interested in picking up a Ram pickup with all the features you could ask for and more, we'd love to walk you through those features. Or even set up a test drive. You can always reach out to us on our website or give us a call, and we'd love to chat. Got our rear seats, again, just tons of room back here. We've got a sunroof that stretches from the front to the rear. I'll go ahead and hop in and show you one more look here. All right. So coming around to the rear, you're going to see our Ram TRX 4x4 badging, backup camera there. So again, plenty of storage for any cargo you may have. You have rear lights as well as those top front-facing lights. Even that rear window there is power controlled, so you can open that easily from the driver's seat with the push of a button. And once again, that's a very quick tour of our 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Launch Edition. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.